Cheesecake was a capybara who was rescued and sent to live in a refuge for neglected and abused animals. But since she was only a baby at the time, she spent a lot of time in the sanctuaries found her alongside her many dogs. And in typical cappy fashion, Cheesecake became one of those, eating, sleeping, playing, and pretty much...
Oh my God.
Wala pa biya. Ano man?
Uh-oh.
Ha?
Ay, oh.
Tawagan ako ron. Nagkaroon na ito daw kapon. Ato pa meron. Pupay pa kuman.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake doon, ha? Si cheesecake. Oo.
Magdala lang ang karne na niya. Magdala lang ang panglamas sa smigaw.
Capybaras do this thing called alloparenting, where the adults take turns watching over the babies in a group, and this is kind of like with open daycare system.
Napuno na ni ba?
Aren't even there. You go through some stuff that none of us can. The benefit is that
Napuno niya rin. Saraw.
this actually surviving long enough to celebrate her birthday. But it also means that Cheesecake wasn't just a stepmother. She was the mother that stepped up. Also, I just want to say that the same sanctuary was in the another capybara named Cobra, and now Cheesecake and Cobra are close. And I feel like we should just take some time to appreciate that. Another thing to appreciate is that plenty of other animals like monkeys or painted dogs do the whole alloparenting thing. But cabbies are the only rodents that do. Well, actually, technically not really. Turns out.
Lucas, baliktad yung short.
Ha?
Baliktad. Ang bulsa, nasa likod.
Ano sa may ka nag-video yun ko?
Yung nga sa mga...
Starting soon.
Sure tayo nga. Sure ka una-una ba?
Kapalo lagi. Magkano naman kung gigil na ko, mami. Na may pasagod. Okay lang ni may awa.
Turns out red squirrels are adopted, but frogs are somewhat closely enough related to them. But that's not the same as having a built-in nervous system. So it seems that being naturally social, being as swole as they are, and having literal stepmother software in their system is what makes it easier to work. Even though they're truly unique South America, they have a pretty sizable fan base all over, but especially in Japan. Why Japan? Well, it all started in the Izu Shaboten Zoo in 1982. A worker was cleaning out an enclosure with hot water when he turned around and realized that all the capybara were huddled around a warm puddle that had formed. The worker said, bet, or whatever the equivalent in Japanese is.
Yes, you're right.
Hot Izu bath for the water-loving hippopotamus. Here's the entire backstory as to how this video exists. And because whatever capybara received, they give back tenfold. These videos go viral, thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even millions of yen in value, all from people wanting to see them. Meaning it is scientifically proven, 100% non-refutable, that capybaras are good for the economy. If your country is currently in a recession, think to the last time you saw a capybara hot tub party. You can't remember that. I think you we don't need stimulus checks. We need cappies per capita. That's why there are entire websites dedicated to finding the closest capybara in your area. So if I ever post a picture of me and a capybara with no content, this is the content.
Hindi na ka magkuhan, magpuso, no?
Get a dog. Okay, I'm go pet a dog.
Saka pa kami, no? Check na lang ako sa taas.
Pak, 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 pak.
Uy, na mo naman magkabasa yan. Gani.
Magpakulay sa iya kaya kay. Tulog na kayo.
Balikon lang naman niya, iya. Naman, Dre, oh. Wala ba mo mag-brief? Naman, mag-andam ko, Dre, oh, brief ninyo.
Ay, sige na.
Una naman, brief mo.
Kaya pa yun sa ako. Yan, balik na niya kanina. Ay, hulog na kanino.
Dalawa na?
Dahil anak. Strong mo, trapo mo na. Karoon, masakong agad mo.
Ano sa daw? O, trapuhon nga ni. Okay na na yung mga short, no? Lucas, okay na ni. Naisang ina na yun.
Ow.
Kalayaw. Kailan ka mag-brief? Kami.